Your phone, your laptop, even your smart fridge, everything's connected to the internet. But do you know how safe you really are? Hello everyone. Welcome to Sallyann Bytes. In this video, I'll walk you through the world of cybersecurity in simple language, with real stories and tips that could protect you from hackers, scams, and online traps. Let's make you smarter than the cybercriminals. Think of cybersecurity like locking your house when you go out, you bolt the windows, close the doors, and maybe turn on an alarm, all to keep thieves out. Cybersecurity does the same thing, but for your computers, smartphones, accounts, and personal information. It is the practice of protecting systems, networks, software, and sensitive data from unauthorized access, cyberattacks, or disruption. It defends against threats such as malware, harmful software like viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. Phishing, fraudulent emails or messages that trick users. Hacking, breaking into systems or networks without permission. Denial of service, DOS, attacks, flooding a system to make it crash. The main goals of cybersecurity are to prevent data theft or loss, protect financial and personal information, ensure business systems and websites stay running, maintain the privacy and safety of individuals and organizations. So whether you're sending a message, shopping online, or running a company, cybersecurity is what keeps your digital life safe. Why is cybersecurity important? In today's world, we are constantly connected through our phones, computers, smart devices, and cloud services. This means we're always at risk of cyber threats. Let's look at why cybersecurity truly matters. It protects your personal information. Your name, passwords, location, photos, and even health data are valuable. If stolen, they can be used to impersonate you or cause you harm. It keeps your money safe. Whether you're using online banking, UPI, or credit cards, cybersecurity helps prevent fraud and identity theft. It prevents major cyber attacks. Hackers can shut down websites, steal company data, or lock your system using ransomware. Cybersecurity helps block such attacks before damage is done. It ensures business continuity. For companies, a cyber attack can mean lost data, legal trouble, and damaged reputation. Cybersecurity keeps operations running safely. It protects critical systems and national infrastructure. From hospitals and transport to government databases, strong cybersecurity protects public services and national safety. Imagine a hacker gaining access to your email, bank account, or your school or workplace systems. Without proper security, one small click could cause a big disaster, from financial loss to personal stress. Cybersecurity is important because it protects your identity, your money, your privacy, and your future. Let's see the types of cybersecurity. Network security. This protects computer networks from threats like hackers, viruses, or unauthorized access. Think of it as putting a strong fence around your digital house to keep intruders out. Example, firewalls, secure Wi-Fi, and antivirus tools. Information security. This focuses on protecting your data, whether it's stored, shared, or being used. Example, encrypting your files so that no one can read them without a password. Application security. Apps on your phone or computer can be entry points for cybercriminals. This type of security ensures software is safe from attacks or bugs. Example, security updates for apps, strong passwords, and secure coding. Cloud security. Many of us store data on the cloud, like Google Drive or iCloud. Cloud security protects your files stored online from hackers and data leaks. Example, two-factor authentication and encrypted storage. Endpoint security. This protects devices like phones, laptops, tablets, and desktops, the endpoints where you access the internet. Example, installing antivirus software and keeping your device updated. Internet of Things, IoT, security. Smart devices like fitness bands, smart TVs, or smart refrigerators are connected to the internet, and they need protection too. Example, changing default passwords and updating firmware. Operational security. This focuses on the policies and procedures an organization uses to protect sensitive data. Example, allowing only certain employees access to confidential files. Each type of cybersecurity focuses on a different area: your network, your data, your apps, your cloud storage, and even your smart devices. Together, they create a layered defense, like having locks, cameras, alarms, and a guard for your house. Let's see about the common cyber threats. Even with the best cybersecurity tools, it's important to understand what we're protecting ourselves from. Here are some of the most common cyber threats people face today. Malware. Short for malicious software, this includes viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. It can damage your device, steal your data, or even spy on you without you knowing. Example, clicking on a fake link that secretly installs a virus on your laptop. Phishing attacks. These are fake emails or messages that trick you into clicking a link, downloading something harmful, or giving away your personal info. Example, a message that looks like it's from your bank asking you to verify your account. Ransomware. A type of malware that locks your files or system and demands money, a ransom, to unlock them. Example, you try to open your files and see a message saying pay $300 in Bitcoin or lose everything. Password attacks. Hackers try to guess or steal your password to access your accounts. Example, using weak passwords like 123456 makes it easy for attackers to break in. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, attacks. This happens when a hacker secretly intercepts the communication between you and another party. Example, using public Wi-Fi without protection, someone might be watching your data. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. These attacks flood a website or service with too much traffic, making it crash and become unavailable. Example, a company's website going offline during a big sale because it was targeted by hackers. Zero-day exploits. These are attacks that happen by taking advantage of a security flaw before the software maker even knows it exists. Example, a hacker finds a bug in an app and uses it to break in before it can be fixed. Why should you care? These threats can steal your identity or money, leak private photos or messages, shut down businesses or public services, cause serious stress or harm. But the good news? Cybersecurity tools plus awareness can protect you from most of these threats, if you know how to stay alert and safe. Let's see about the challenges of cybersecurity. Even with the best tools and strategies, cybersecurity isn't easy. Experts face many challenges that make protecting digital systems a constant battle. Some of the main challenges include rapidly evolving threats. Hackers are always creating new viruses, malware, and attack methods. Human error. People may click suspicious links, reuse passwords, or fall for phishing scams. Insider threats. Sometimes, employees or trusted individuals accidentally or intentionally compromise security. Complex systems. Large organizations have many devices, networks, and applications to protect, which can be difficult to manage. Resource limitations. Small businesses or individuals may not have access to advanced cybersecurity tools or training. Cybersecurity is a race between defenders and attackers, which is why staying informed and vigilant is so important. Let's learn how to stay safe online. Keep your system and antivirus updated. Use strong passwords, not 123456. Always turn on two-factor authentication, like OTP logins. Never click links from unknown sources. Always check for HTTPS in website addresses. Don't use public Wi-Fi for online banking. Don't overshare personal details on social media. Cybersecurity isn't just about tools, it's about making smart choices every time you go online. By following these simple steps, you're already doing your part to stay protected. Let's see about the careers in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting your own data, it's also a growing field full of career opportunities. As technology advances, companies, governments, and individuals all need experts to keep their digital world safe. Security analyst monitors networks and systems for suspicious activity and responds to cyber attacks. Will be the first line of defense against hackers. Penetration tester, ethical hacker tests systems and networks by trying to hack them legally to find weaknesses before real hackers do. Think of it as being a good guy hacker. Security engineer builds and maintains security systems and software to protect networks, applications, and devices. They design the digital locks and alarms. Security consultant advises companies and organizations on best practices, strategies, and tools for cybersecurity. Will help businesses stay safe from cyber threats. Cryptographer develops encryption systems to protect sensitive data and communications. Your job is to make sure secrets stay secret. Incident responder investigates cyber attacks, identifies what went wrong, and fixes the system to prevent future breaches. They are like digital detectives. Security researcher studies new threats, malware, and hacking techniques to stay ahead of cybercriminals. Will discover the next generation of cyber threats before they hit. Why do you consider a career in cybersecurity important for your future? High demand, cyber experts are needed everywhere. Good pay and career growth. Opportunities to work in government, private companies, or as an independent consultant. Constantly evolving challenges. No 2 days are the same. If you enjoy technology, problem solving, and protecting people, a career in cybersecurity could be both exciting and rewarding. Let's see about the cybersecurity trends. Cybersecurity is always evolving. Staying updated with trends can help both individuals and professionals stay safe. Here are some important trends in cybersecurity today. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI is used to detect and respond to threats faster than humans can. Cloud security. As more data moves online, securing cloud services is more important than ever. Mobile and IoT security. Smartphones, wearables, and smart home devices are becoming new targets for hackers. Zero trust security. A new approach where no device or user is trusted automatically, even inside a network. Ethical hacking demand. Organizations are hiring more ethical hackers to test and improve security. Ransomware defense. Companies are focusing on protecting data from ransomware attacks that lock files until payment is made. The world of cybersecurity is fast-paced. Keeping up with trends ensures you stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sallyann Bytes, for more easy-to-understand tech lessons. Stay safe online, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.